I'm gonna show you how to fix. Hello, I'm Nathaniel. Today I want to show you how to fix your Akai MPKII Mini. My favorite MPKII Mini. Look at it. It just broke off. We need some oxygen in here. Okay, let's go. Ow. Yeah. Just burned my fingers. No. With a hot glue gun. The broken keys. If you have broken keys.
Hello, I've got a caveat at the end of the video. Please make sure you will watch the entire video before following my suggestion. This is the way I fixed my stuff, but make sure you watch the whole thing and then you can decide if you want to do it or you want somebody else to do it for you. Thank you.
It's a pain, but I've never seen anybody fix this problem. But I'm gonna employ this, the hot gun glue, to see. Let's get it connected with power. Yeah, we're gonna let it warm up, and this way we're gonna actually fix it that way. Yeah, because that's the right way, I believe. Yeah, that way. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now it looks like our glue is warming up. Yeah, that's it. It's warming up. It's gonna be a quick fix. So now I managed to fix it in place, and so the music will be back on. So if you have a similar problem, hopefully that will fix it for you. I didn't do a good job, but you have to wait for it to dry up very well. Look at it very well. You notice that this key looks a bit out of place, and I'm gonna be making fresh music with that. The broken one, but it's not broken anymore. It's been fixed, and hopefully it works really fine. So thank you for joining me today, and thank you for hitting the subscribe button down below, and let's have some amazing time. Now, thank you for watching the entire video, but I am not responsible for you opening up your equipment or damaging it because you're fixing it. However, if you know the safety precautions that you need to take by working with electrical equipment or hot tools, then you can choose to continue at your own risk. Better still, you can get somebody who has the technical know-how or knows what to do and how to do it to help you fix it, and you just pay them with a very little amount of money, and then you can have your equipment up and running again. Hopefully, I just want to make music, and that is what I choose to do because time is of the essence. So I see you next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please. Subscribe. Let's have some amazing time and walk home. Am I back? No. This is how we're gonna do it. So, if you follow me, we're gonna have some great and amazing time. Okay, what I was just trying to say is that I went out with this in a bag and it wasn't protected. So, I forgot it's not invincible, but now I've learned the lesson. Please make sure you protect it. I'm gonna order a box or protective box on eBay, and I'm gonna show you when it arrives. So make sure you follow, whether on Instagram at Glory5D or on YouTube at Nathaniel Music, hopefully, but I'll show you very soon. Follow this channel where we make you photo, music and video. I am the creative director of OHP Studios.